So this still dead. Alright, let's figure out what's going on with this baby. Hi guys, working on this booster Bosch today. There's no power to it, completely dead. Hopefully in this video we're going to diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, I've changed the fuse on that. And I'm still not getting any power there. Right. Changed it. Right, I'm gonna disconnect it, but I don't think we need to do. And you know what's happening? I've still got no power in there, yeah? Yeah. Still dead. Okay. And I've also changed the fuse on it. And no power in there. So what's going on to this one? Tell you what's going on. Right. If I come into the kitchen and just mind the mark. There's another spare switch here. This baby was leaning backwards, leaning back on it, and it had that switched off. Okay, so it was leaning back and it had it turned off. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch that on. And you come here. Come on. Right, I don't think anything is wrong with this boiler other than that. Okay, now I'm going to put the old fuse back in. I'm going to put the old fuse back in now. Listen, times are hard. Every little fuse is important. And guess what? I just dropped it. Okay. Right, let's see what happens now. So the old fuse is okay as well. And I found it, there it is. I'm telling you, times are hard. Right, let's put that back in. I might need that another day if I don't lose it. Right, don't need you, baby. And that's okay. Hopefully, I'm going to put the heating on now. Okay, can you put your heating on for me, love? Could you put the heating on for me, please? Yes, please. So we're going to try the heating on now.
Not going to take the cat away, sorry.
It's okay. Right, looks like it's working fine now.
Okay, what do you think it was?
I'll tell you when you watch. So anyway, listen, the lady wants to know what was wrong with it. What happened, there was no power coming here. That was completely dead. But what they've got in their house, right, is another spare switch here. See, what's happening is, you know this switch here? Just behind your bread. Right, I think you pushed it back and you turned it off from there. When that switch is off, switches your boiler off. Right, guys, sorted his Worcester Bosch out. At the end, right, it was an easy repair. They got another spare switch in the kitchen, and that was turned off. I did change the fuse, didn't make any difference. I thought the fuse on the board is probably gone in it. But when I done the voltage check on the connector, on the power inlet, there was no power coming in. So I knew there was either the electric stripped, but that wasn't. That was fine. So I had to look for another power supply to it. Another spare switch basically, but I did find it. It's in the kitchen, and as soon as I switched it on, it started working fine. I think they must have they had a toaster in front of it. They must have pressed a button back while using the toaster. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.